what to say in this intro. I guess I'll just start talking. Our back patio is like an 8x10. It's fairly small, and it just, whenever you put patio furniture out there, it gets very cramped very quickly. So I wanted to expand out our patio. But this was the inspiration. I'm just gonna take you guys along on this arduous journey because ooh, I guess this is going to be kind of a series because while I would love to make it like one long video, I'm just not the best editor. It takes me a very long time to edit a video, and so I thought that splitting it up into the different days that we worked on it would just be kind of easier on me and maybe easier to digest for you guys. So if I broke it up into different videos that you guys would be more inclined to like watch it all the way through. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into it, and I'll show you guys how I brought my vision to life. So here we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get my gloves.
Don't start that, man.
I don't think I can. I didn't.
All right, you want to pull the truck around? We can go get those other 7 or whatever.
Well guys, we are on day 2 of this patio build, and day 1 knocked us on our butts. It was so much work. I think I started working out there around 7:30 yesterday morning, and we didn't stop until like 5 p.m. But we did get so much space dug up. The patio size is gonna be a 12 by 20. So we got that whole area dug up. So what I'm gonna be working on today, hopefully it's just gonna be me, but is trying to level the dirt out and to create a slope to where, like, for water runoff, so it doesn't like pull up by the house. So I'm gonna run to Home Depot and grab some things, and then get right back out there and keep working because I really want to get this done. So that's the plan for today. This is day 3. I've already lost count. This has been so hard. Yesterday we were able to start leveling out. We finally like got in the groove of how to do it, and we got like maybe a 3 to 4 foot strip done. So you can see it's kind of like level and compact. But then we still have all of this to do. Last night the water sprinklers came on and we forgot to turn them off, or we like just, it didn't even like cross our minds. And so this morning we came out to a giant mud pit. Yeah, so we've kind of had to like wait around today for the dirt to dry so we could actually have something to work with. We've kind of come to a stalemate where the dirt is too sticky. Like we can't tamp it down. It just keeps getting stuck to the tamper. So, I mean, I'm not mad about the progress that we made. I just thought that, I don't know what I thought. I didn't think it would take this long. girl. She's looking at me like I'm crazy. Do you mind getting bone slobber all over my couch? Lay up there with Dilly like a good baby. Oh, jeez.